Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about organic apple cider vinegar from neuherbs. So please watch this video till the end. Guys, did you know apple cider vinegar is known help to manage appetite and absorption of carbohydrates and fats in the body. It can be assist in weight management, and the polyphenols with antioxidant activities are naturally present in the apple cider vinegar that can be helped to maintain overall health. Also, acinic acid is the vinegar helps increase the uptake of glucose by body cells, which may help in reducing blood sugars level post heavy meals. This is made from Himalayan apples, no artificial preservatives, no artificial flavor and color. And also guys, this is raw, unfiltered and unpasteurized. And also guys, let me tell you how can you add cider vinegar in your daily lifestyle. So first, add 2 teaspoons 10 ml of neuherbs organic apple cider vinegar to a glass of water 250 ml twice a day before your heavy meal. Second, it can be also be used for salad dressing by adding 1 teaspoon of it, veggies, fruit to make delicious cuisines. And the third, it can be making sauces as well your favorite Chinese recipes or machination and intricate and a flavor and a health. Guys, due to its acidic nature, it can help to restore healthy pH balance of your hair, helps to reduce stubborn dandruff from the scalp, gives the necessary conditioning and make them more shiny and smooth. Take 5 to 10 mm and dilute it in a 50 to 100 mm of water, then apply it in your hairs and scalp with a cotton pad, leave it to 5 and 10 minutes, then rinse it out. A complete pack of your overall wellness, helping whole family in different ways, working in blood sugar, cholesterol management for adults, elderly, taking care of hair, skin health, of beauty conscious and weight management, tonic working, busy woman, man, multipurpose cleaner and the homemakers, salad, fruits, dressings for health conscious, a perfect healthy bottle for the family needs. Guys, this price of neuherbs organic apple cider vinegar is 399, but you will get 331 in a discount. So yeah guys, this is for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and guys, this information is all free, so please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe and also turn the notification for never miss any uploading. And also guys, share this video with your friends and family. And guys, if you want the organic apple cider vinegar from neuherbs, so link in the description, go check it out. Thanks for watching.